Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 13 and we are going to get more serious now. In the last 12 videos, you had seen very basic elementary level projects and elementary level programs. But now from this lesson onwards, we are going to start building our GUI applications using Tkinter app, the module. So I hope you have installed the Tkinter app. Pip install Tkinter. I hope you are ready either on Jetson Nano or on your Windows machine or any other Linux machine. Keep that all the installations which I showed you in lesson 0 at the beginning. Keep those things ready because without that you just cannot build these particular projects. Anyway, so what we are going to do is, guys, we are going to I'm going to show you how to build a digital GUI clock, right? So digital clocks are very famous clocks all over the world. The great part of creating your own GUI app is that you can customize them however you want, right? So let me just show you a couple of lines of code. It's pretty easy to understand. I don't have to explain each and every line. It's just about 22 lines of code. So basically, we are importing Tkinter and import the label and the TK within the Tkinter and import the time to take your system clock time. And then we are writing the logic how to reflect that. And then we are defining our function and then show the app on the screen, right? So it's as simple as that. However, from the text, font to background color, all features are available for customization. You can actually go ahead and customize this particular code and build multiple other GUI apps as well. So I'll show you systematically how to do it in the future upcoming lessons. So basically in this particular code, let me just show you pretty high level. I'm just importing the libraries and then we need to define the title and the size of our application. And then note that in this particular code below, I will also set both height and the width of the resizable function as true, within 1 comma 1. So if you want a fixed window and you don't want to maximize or minimize the output, you can set it to false, 0 comma 0, right? You can do that. And after that, I'm basically defining the font of the time and its color, its border width, and the background color of the clock, which is nothing but a clock. It'll look like an app, which is I'm going to show it to you right away, guys. All right, let me run this code and then we will take it forward from there. Just give me a minute. I will just set it up to my desktop sharing so that you can see the pop-ups. 1 second, just give me a minute. Desktop sharing, okay, desktop sharing. I need to share my desktop. Right, I hope you guys can see the screen now. Let me run this code. It's just about 22 lines of code. You might see a pop-up which will throw it out as an app. And there you go. This is our digital clock, guys. It's beautiful. You can actually change the font, you can change the color, you can change the overall look and the feel, and you can create multiple more buttons. This is a very basic program using the Tkinter library which we imported, and from there we are running this program, right? It's one of the most simple and easy to build app. However, in the upcoming lessons, it's going to get more and more complex, especially when we get into gaming aspects, right? So it's going to get interesting, guys. Do stay tuned. I'm going to be back very soon and we will take it forward from there. Goodbye.